night. You exceeded my expectation, son. With this new upgrade that Shazam gave you, you're gonna be fight for sure. Yeah. And also, I wanted to tell you, there is a tournament that's going on. And I don't know who's from, but we should go join. Yeah. You tell the guys. Yeah. Hey guys, wow, you guys are already all here. Who was that? I don't know. But wait. You're here! Nemesis. Yes, it's me. And welcome, John and company, to the Dragon Festival Tournament. So this was your plan all along, huh? Yeah. Two or three of you are going to fight 2-on-2 against each other. 3 or 2-on-2. Whoever wins gets to face me. Huh. I've been waiting for a rematch with you. Me too. I'll help. Why is it always me? Take this. That's what you get. Let's go. Idiots. Okay, we made it. Now it's time to face you. Not so fast, huh? Whoa! You tricked us! You really think I wouldn't? Send them out. Huh? The Sentinel? No way! I'll stop him. No, son. It's my fight. Let's go. John! No! Wait. Black Panther! Father! No! Father! Father! Wake up! Please, wake up. Father! No. You killed him. I'll stop him. Coda. John. Me and... John? John? Are you okay? Huh? Finally. To be continued.